everyone, today we'll test more weird kitchen items, but this time all of them are from Shein. We have 6 items to test, and the first item is this cactus ice cube tray. Now the reason I picked this up is कि मुझे लगा कि हम edible cactus बना सकते हैं कीवी के जूस के साथ. Let's see if it's functional or just a gimmick. इसके लिए we have chopped kiwis with us right here, and we're gonna blend them in the blender and then fill this ice cube tray with kiwis. Let's also add some water क्योंकि ये ice cube tray है ना, तो exact shape के लिए थोड़ा liquid ही होना पड़ेगा. And let's add some masala for taste. Now it's not that bad, but I think a spoon will be better to pour inside. Now I've got a very good idea. I actually have some green tea and some iced tea. So यहाँ पे iced tea डालते हैं, यहाँ पे green tea डालते हैं, and देखते हैं वो कैसा आता है. So these 3 are all different shades of green, but they are green only. So it's going to be a really fun array of cacti to try. Now all you have to do is wait to taste them.
So they look ready and they look so scrumptious. Let's try and unmold them. एक हाथ से थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा, but we can try. Do you see what I see? Oh my god. Okay. पूरा आ जाना बाहर. Yes. Look at that. So this one is the green tea one. This is the iced tea and this is the kiwi. So let's try the kiwi. और बहुत easily बाहर आ रहा है. This one looks so realistic. Oh yeah. Wow. Now I'll just unmold all of them. So I have all of them out. Just one of them broke. तो इसका सक्सेस रेट काफ़ी अच्छा है. एंड इमेजिन यार, डेली लाइफ में अगर कोई ऐसे फ्रूट खिलाएगा तो खाने का मन क्यों नहीं करेगा. So this one definitely gets a big thumbs up.
Okay, so the second item is my most exciting item for this video. It's this piano-shaped fruit fork. When you keep this standing, it should look like a real piano, but then उसके keys निकलते हैं and they become like a fruit fork. So I'm very interested to see if it works क्योंकि ये किचन में decor piece भी लगेगा and functional भी है. It looks promising so far, and I think these are the forks. So let's make the stand. Impressive! This is what the fork looks like. आगे से it's a normal fruit fork and it's actually comfortable to hold. छोटू नहीं है इतना. Starting के लिए there's a flat piece right here. It is looking so good when it's coming together. ये कम क्यों लग रहा है? We have a missing piece. So I'm really upset कि एक ही मिसिंग है क्योंकि otherwise this was looking so good. मन में I'm like जाने दो क्या, but नहीं यार, वो एक ही मिसिंग ना, ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक दांत मिसिंग है. This did work. Imagine you want to eat fruits and you're like, oh, I'll just go and get my fancy piano and then you pull out a key like this. No one will see this coming. It's also a good option for a party because there are a lot of forks for a lot of people. This third item is for all of us lazy people out there because this is supposed to be a phone stand right here and a snack tray. It's time to test the lazy bug. I had a little play on the words, ladybug ko lazy bug kar diya. Picked up 2 snacks for this, some dry fruits. And this will give you an idea कि इसमें कितनी सारी जगह है because these are a lot of dry fruits. Still, this is filled only 20% of one container. And to test a slightly bigger snack, I have these multi-grain crackers. Oh, and they fit. These are huge. I think these are bigger than any biscuit that you would find, and they still fit. Yay! And now let's place our phone. It does hold well. Phone नहीं गिर रहा है. I've tilted the dish quite a bit because खाते वक्त प्लेट इधर उधर करने की आदत तो हम सबको है. So इसका और इसका साइज सेम है, बस ये थोड़ा पतला है. तो देखते हैं कि पतला होने की वजह से ये इधर उधर स्लाइड होता है कि नहीं. It did slide. So I guess you'll probably have to invest in a thick cover if you want to use this dish regularly, or else you'll have to sit in one place and you'll have to keep this on a table. But I think this is a good option. Like imagine ऐसे टेबल के ऊपर मस्त से पैर रख के बैठ गए and you're relaxing while watching a show. This is very convenient, to be honest, and I do see myself using this. So the Lazy Bug gets a thumbs up. Now the fourth item is my desperate attempt to have healthy noodles. I've tried a couple of noodle makers from other websites in the past and they failed miserably. So this time I have bought something which looks a little more promising. Box pe bhi photos are quite promising. So I present to you our latest technology wala zucchini noodle maker. Looks sturdy. They have a recipe for pasta here, but they don't have instructions. So after pulling with a lot of strength, this finally did come out. But be careful क्योंकि अंदर blade है ना. Push this pointy thing in this. तो गिरी जा रहा है ऐसे. कुछ पकड़ तो नहीं रहा. Oh my God! Yes! Look at that! ज़्यादा फोर्स नहीं लगाना पड़ता. It's semi decent, एकदम हल्के हाथ से भी नहीं हो रहा, but it worked. I'm so happy. It looks like legit noodles and my hand is safe because of this grip thing. I think this last part will remain as it is. इसको ऐसे सौटे करके खाना पड़ेगा, but this is pretty impressive. Big thumbs up for this product. The fifth item is not a bookmark or a decor piece. It's actually a tea strainer. इसके लिए I've already put some water to boil. Now I have green tea का bag. तो strain करने का test करने के लिए what I do is मैं bag को खोल दूँगी और वही leaves को अंदर डाल देते हैं. So here we put our leaf on. Surprisingly, chai bahar spill. Okay. The moment I said that, it spilled outside. Jinx level max. So trouble is all the tea leaves are settled at the bottom. Oh, it works that way. And ये चाय की leaves ना बहुत छोटे. Because it's green tea leaves. फिर भी ये पकड़ रहा है एंड बहुत कम गिरा है बाहर. जितना आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग उससे तो कम ही गिरा है, क्योंकि जो नॉर्मल वाला होता है उस पर तो कप शेप होता है ना, तो उसमें स्पिलेज का इतना टेंशन नहीं. बट बिकॉज दिस वाज फ्लैट आई थॉट कि सारा चाय बाहर ही स्पिल हो जाएगा, बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So you know what? This is actually very bougie, a very fancy piece, and it works. So this also gets a clear thumbs up from us. And the last item is this nail. It's actually an expandable funnel. Although I'm very confused ki why would someone carry a funnel with them. So to test this nail, let's make up a scenario which would ideally never exist in real life, but let's cook it up. Let's assume ki we were having some nice iced tea. And it's actually very refreshing in this heat. बट अभी बस हो गया, पीने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. एंड आई वॉन्ट टू फिल इट अप इन दिस कांच का बॉटल जो मैंने कोई तो मिल्क शेक प्लेस से संभाल के रखा अभी तक. पोरिंग इट फ्रॉम दिस ग्लास टू दिस बॉटल वुड काइंड ऑफ बीन अ नाइटमेयर फॉर अ क्लमजी पर्सन लाइक मी. सो लेट्स whip out our folding snail and see if it helps. Let's push it open. That was not tough. मस्त लग रहा है ऐसे एकदम वो लेंस जैसा. Will it stay? This is the best it will get. If I ruin this table, मुझे घर से बाहर निकाला जाएगा आज. So I better not spill anything. That was convenient. Okay, the snail works. It works very efficiently. And now we have bottle iced tea जो 10 रुपए का है, but हम इसको 100 रुपए में बेच सकते हैं क्योंकि ये कांच के बॉटल में है. So the funnel worked. This also gets a thumbs up. So this was us trying weird kitchen items. I think we'll make a couple more parts for this because it's really exciting to try new products. यार अगर चला तो बेस्ट ही है. किचन में कुछ स्पाइस अप हो जाएगा, but नहीं चला तो भी like that persistence is very much fun. So if you enjoyed watching this video, then that makes me very happy, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Until then, goodbye.